Zip it. Zip it. Zip it. Zip it. They're outside. They're not saying anything. They're not barking. What, you want to say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
Say tickle, tickle, tickle.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Yoshi, you're not going to talk for the camera either?
Say hello.
Yoshi, turn. Turn, you silly. Come on. Come on, where?
Say hello, Nut.
They're outside. They're not saying nothing. Yoshi, give kisses? Are you gonna run to Cassie and give her a kiss? Oh, nice. You didn't give me a kiss. Oh, nice birdie. Say kissy belly. Go ahead, you can go play with Cassie. Go ahead.
I don't want one now.
Oh, okay. Zip it. You zip it.